Toru Hagakure. Toru Hagakure quirk is invincibility. She is able to utilize her quirk to remain completely hidden and excel at stealth-based techniques.
Aren't you giving up a little too easy for a hero?
There! I got him!
Where did you... Oh no.
Mr. Snipey pervert!
I couldn't see you! I didn't do it!
Koji Koda. Koji Koda quirks give him the ability to command any creature in Animal Kingdom by speaking to them. Whatever command he gives, the animal will carry out. Yuga Ayoma. Yuga Ayoma quirks allow him to shoot a powerful sparkling laser cannon from his navel, but after it he will suffer intestinal distress. Minoru Mineta. Minoru quirks allow him to produce and pull sticky substance from his head. He can pull a large amount of this substance, but if he ever uses it, it can cause bleeding. Hanta Shiro. Hanta Shiro quirks allow him to shoot usually strong tape out of his slot-like elbow, which he can restrain for hold together large objects or swing through the air with great mobility. Mashirao Jiro. Mashirao Jiro quirk is that he has a long, powerful, sturdy tail. He uses his quirk to deliver direct attacks or assist his movement in battles. Kyoko Jiro is that she has a pair of headphone jacks hanging from her ear loops. When the jacks are plugged into something, Kyoko can channel the sound of a heartbeat into the form of a violent vibration attack. She can stretch the air loop several times. Mizo Shoji. Mizo Shoji quirk is that he has a set of tentacles alongside his arm. He can transform the tips of these tentacles to replicate other parts of the body. Uchako Uraka quirk is zero gravity. Uchako quirk gives her the power to manipulate gravity, such as making objects weightless or making objects float.
Grab the wrist and the base of the neck. Pull with all your might and swing! Thanks, gun!
Mina Ashido. Mina Ashido quirks allow her to produce a corrosive liquid from her body. She is also known to secrete a non-corrosive version of the acid from her feet in order to slide around. The Suyu Asoi quirks allow her to do anything a frog can do, such as enhance swimming abilities, hopping at long distance. Tenja Lida. Tenja Lida quirk manifests in the form of Injure in his claves, giving him super speed.
上半身だけマネキンかい。
血を這う煙烈だ！加熱によって瞬時に元の形状に復元する形状記憶合金ですわ。
大したもんじゃないか。
Momo Yaoyuruzu creation quirk allow her to create inanimate objects by transforming the molecular level of her fat cell and releasing whatever she creates. Rikidi Sato. Thanks to his quirk Sugar Rush, Rikido is a straightforward fighter who takes advantage of temporarily physical might granted by his power to punch his way through obstacles and enemies.
個性シュガードープ糖分 10g につき3分間パワー5倍しかし統合パワーに使うと次第に脳機能がダウンしていくぞ
Denki Kaminari. Denki Kaminari quirks allow him to generate electricity and cover his body in it, while he can also emit this energy over a distance. If he exceeds his weightage limit, causes his brain to short circuit, leaving him in a vulnerable state for 1 hour.
驚けましたね 狙い撃ち
Katsuki Bakugo. Katsuki Bakugo quirks allow him to secrete nitroglycerin like sweat from the palms of his hand and ignite it on command. Drawbacks of this quirk is likely caused by dehydration.
考えさせるな着地までに距離を詰められるまずい手を走って
Shoto Todoroki. Shoto Todoroki quirk is half god, half god. Shoto quirk is a combination of his mother's ice quirk and Endeavor's fire quirk, allowing him to generate and control ice and fire using the right and left side of his body.
ありがとな
どうなってますの？
何人今おいこれ勝負はどうなってんだ
Ichiro Kirishima, Red Ryut Unbreakable. Ichiro Kirishima quirks let him to harden any part of his body at will. While Red Ryut is a super move performed by Ichiro Kirishima using his hardening quirk, he defeated Kendo Rappa.
On harden! Indestructible! My quirk! This is my quirk at its maximum! Red Riot! Unbreakable!
Fumike's Tokoyami in Darkness mode. His quirk Dark Shadow at full power allow him to easily but uncontrollably defeat a top grade villain such as Moonfish.
見て
Izuku Midoriya X Eri. Inheriting one for all from All Might, Izuku is the strongest. In class 1, his 100% one for all and Eri quirk helps him to defeat a high class villain such as our heart.
Not innocent!